Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are doing this super cute little roller set. I was going for a straw set. I don't really know if I achieved that, but I still like the results that I got. So to get started, I am just rolling the hair and I'm working with really small sections and I'm using a foam mousse. The one I'm using is by Cream of Nature. To wrap the hair, I am taking the hair and I'm wrapping it around the roller. I'm wrapping the ends of the hair around the roller, and then I kind of roll the hair up the roller. And my purpose of doing this was to try to create a more elongated curl. I have shorter hair, so I didn't want my hair to be just so shrunken up and curly. I know it was going to be shrunken obviously because I'm rolling it, but I wanted the curls to have more of a spiral and elongated type of effect, and that's why I rolled the hair like this. But when you're rolling, if you're not used to doing roller sets or you have trouble with roller sets, I have had trouble with roller sets in the past as well. And what helps me to make my roller sets really neat, and what I made sure to do this time, is I work in small sections and I use a lot of rollers. And I also take my time and focus on the ends and make sure I get those ends wrapped around the roller, because what happens to me and what you might find happens to you is sometimes we don't get those ends wrapped around the roller and you'll have straight pieces sticking out of your roller set, and that's because you did not wrap your ends properly. So just take your time. This is probably the best roller set that I have done in a while, and it took me about an hour and a half to roll all my entire head like this. And I used about 8 packs of these rollers, and 6 rollers came in a pack. So that is a lot of rollers that I used. But my theory was, if I used more rollers, I would be able to wrap smaller sections of hair onto the roller, which would create a faster drying time for me. And it would be better when I went to separate my curls, because I wouldn't have to pull apart such large chunky sections. I'll be working with smaller sections. So that was my theory, and I think it worked out pretty well. I really enjoyed the results of this roller set. And to take it down, y'all, the rest is really self-explanatory. All I do is unravel the rollers. I don't put any extra product on my hair at this time. You can if you want to, but I had moisturized my hair and used the mousse while I was rolling my hair, so I didn't really I didn't really see the need for that. But do what you will. It's your hair, and I ain't gonna tell you what to do. Do what you normally do. This is just what I do, okay? But yes, let me know how you guys enjoy this style. I got so many compliments on my style. If y'all watch my latest vlog, y'all see my hair is like this in the vlog, and y'all, people was asking me, was I natural? Now y'all know good and well I am not natural. Y'all know good and well I got a good old relaxer up in here, okay? So don't ask me no crazy questions like that. I know it was looking good, but no, I am not natural. I was still, y'all know I'm still relaxed. I ain't got to explain it to y'all. It's other people that act like they don't know what's going on with me. But anyway, so yeah, y'all, really enjoyed this style. And y'all, this style lasted me 4 days. I got 4 days off of this. I could have pushed it to another day, but I was like, no, I need to wash my hair. And it was kind of looking crazy on that 4th day, I ain't gonna lie. But people still compliment me though. People would still compliment me, but it wasn't up to my liking. But yes, let me know how you enjoy this style. Let me know how you enjoy my technique, or if you have tried my technique. And y'all, thank you so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.